Hello friends, in this video we will see how to compile and run Java program using command prompt. This is my desktop. On this I am creating one folder. I am giving name as Java program. For this demo I am going to use Notepad. You can use any other editor. I am just opening Notepad. In Notepad we'll write code now. Public class is a keyword for creating class. After this we have to provide our class name. I am providing class name as my project. Static void main. Public is an access modifier. Meaning of public is this class can be accessed from anywhere. Now this method is static. Benefit of static is JVM doesn't need to create object to call this method. Now void is a return type and main is a method name. And for this method we are passing array of string and its variable name is args. Now in this method we will simply print hello world. So to print hello world, I am using system class. Out is a variable inside a system class and println is a method, and whatever you want to print you have to give it in double quotes. I am printing hello world. Now we have to save this file. I am going to file, save as. Now just remember, while saving this file the file name should be same as class name. My class name is my project. I am giving file name as my project. Just remember its extension is .java and just save type as all files. Now here you can see the file is saved. Now to run this Java file we are going to use command prompt. I am opening command prompt here. I am just pressing shift and right key. When you press shift, then only you will be able to see this option, that is the open command window here, and it will set path from wherever you are opening command prompt. Automatically that path will be set. To run any program we have to check whether JDK is installed or not and its path is set. To check this, just type java c and press enter. It's returning a list of commands. It means JDK is installed and its path is set. Now first we have to compile this Java program. To compile Java program, again type java c and I am just pressing M and tab. When I hit tab, automatically it will pick the file name. Otherwise, directly you can drag drop this file on command prompt. It will pick its complete name. I am pressing enter. Now here you can see it has compiled my project file and it has created my project.class file. Now to run this file, enter java and class name, that is my project. Now you can see its output here, hello world. Thanks for watching.